Hello everyone. So internal linking. Now the thing is that internal linking is one of the most important areas for any SEO operation, because this not only improves the link juice flow of a website, but also helps in increasing or improving the link architecture and the overall architecture of a website. The crawlers can easily find web pages, and this can create a smooth rendering of all the pages. But the thing is that, do you know there is a technique in a data-driven way which can be very helpful if you want to find internal linking opportunities for your campaign. So today in this episode we will be discussing about an interesting topic on how internal linking opportunities can be found out with the help of data-driven software known as Giphy. So what exactly is a Giphy? So Giphy.org is an open source platform which gives data visualization across several things. So today we will give you some stepwise instruction and some strategy on how you can take the help of this particular effective strategy to make the best internal linking opportunity for your campaign. So let us find out. So before getting started, you need to first open Screaming Frog and crawl the website and collect the data. For our instance, we have taken one of the website and we have clicked the start button to crawl the entire website in a Screaming Frog. Make sure to use a licensed version, because this will give you all the URLs of a Screaming Frog. Okay, now once the entire crawling is completed, click on bulk export, click on links, and from there click on all in links. So then you need to save that. So once you have saved, open the file and you need to do some small rename. So rename the destination as target, and also clean the spreadsheet by removing the first column type and also the other column beside the source and the target. So basically the main thing should be somewhat like this, like the source and the target, and you can eliminate any other information. So the destination should be once again replaced with the name of target, and the source should be as it is, and remove all the unnecessary items. Okay, now open Giphy, and under the Giphy you can have an option to import your spreadsheet or the Excel file. So just import that, and after importing that your screen will somewhat look like this. Then following the arrow, click on run page rank, run modularity. After adjusting the view, you can adjust your view as per your necessary convenient, and after adjusting the view you can calculate the page rank and the modularity from the statistic tab. The thing is that for the modularity we untick use width, so this is something which should be remembered. So now the screen should be somewhat like this. Click on force atlas 2 from the layout algorithm, and you can change or adjust and the gravity so that the graph came to a viewable position. So this is somewhat looks like this. Now you need to really change and do a lot of A/B testing for the same. After that you need to tune the graph for achieving the best result. So the first thing you need to do is page rank identification tuning. So under the page rank tab you can choose the node size, and then the ranking tab on the minimum size and give a maximum size. So it's very simple, like the minimum page rank website will be having a minimum value of the sizes, and the maximum page rank will be having a maximum value of the node sizes. The similar goes for the modularity as well. Here the only difference is you need to apply a color code. So the same thing, less modularity will be having a lighted color code version, and the pages which have highest modularity will be having a green colored version. Then you can click on data laboratory, and then you can export the table. And now you need to arrange the data in the spreadsheets according to the page rank and the modularity. So here's the thing, in the first column you need to add the links which have the highest modularity. In the second column you add the links which have the lowest modularity. In the third column you add the links which have the highest page rank, and the vice versa. In the fourth column you add the links which have the lowest page rank. So the output somewhat looks like this, like the URLs having the highest modularity versus the lowest modularity versus the highest page rank versus the lowest page rank. Now what is the significance of this? So this is, now here is an important explanation regarding the same. Now you need to really understand what exactly is a page rank and a modularity, and what these things have to do with the SEO. Now the thing is that page rank is one of the aggregated value which determines what is the potential of the ranking power and the link juice, like what is, like in short, what is the SEO juices and what are the benefits a particular page contains. So the greater is the page value, the greater is the potential of ranking that particular page, the greater authority scores that particular page contains, and the lesser the value, the vice versa condition that is. And when you go to the modularity, that is a bit different. So high is the modularity, the page drains away most of the link juices, and low is the modularity, the page retains most of the link juices. So this is now here comes the most interesting situation. For an effective internal linking strategy, you need to connect a page with another page. Suppose high page rank should be linked with the low page rank so that the link juice can follow, and at the same time a low modularity page should be linked with a high modularity page so that the diversification can balance. So keeping all this figure in mind, an internal linking strategy can only work if, suppose there is two pages, page A and page B. Suppose page A contains like a greater amount of page rank and page B contains a smaller amount of page rank. So you need to connect page A to the page B so that the page rank flows to the page B, and the page B gets an increasing chance for getting upwards towards the rank. And at the same time, if the modularity of suppose a page D is higher and the modularity of page D is lower, then you need to connect to the lower version to the higher, the reciprocal of page rank, so that the wastage from the page D can be minimized. So this things you need to keep in mind, and you can plan your own internal linking strategy, and you can well lay out. You might be wondering why this is important. So the thing is that this is very important because by performing this, you can really create an equilibrium balance of the entire page link, page rank, link juice, link equity throughout your website, and your website can have a healthy balance maintained throughout this site. Thanks for watching.